Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to create and annotate linear measurements in MicroSurvey CAD. To get started, go up to the top and click Annotate. Just below here, you can see the Linear tool. Click it, and then click the start and end points of any line. As you can see, I can measure the projected horizontal and vertical lengths of this line. With the annotation following my cursor, simply click to place it. What if, however, you wanted to measure the true length of this line? Go back up and click the little triangle underneath Linear. Next, click the Aligned tool. If you now click the start and end points of your line, you can now see that it creates a measurement that's parallel to this line. In other words, its true length. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.